Alright, this is Zach, New York City Metro Weather, Zachary Jacomowitz, and this is just a bit of a promo, a heads up for the potential midweek storm on Wednesday into Thursday. I'm not putting out any accumulation snowfall forecast yet or any video on the accumulations just yet, as there is still a lot of details that need to be panned out. We are still about 3 days out, especially this winter. It's too early to really tell. Everything is still speculation, even though a lot of the computer models are showing good accumulations across the New York City metro area and all the way up into Boston and New England. Tomorrow's tomorrow night 0Z forecast runs and model runs and the 12Z model runs on Tuesday will be very important in determining the storm. Even tomorrow's 12Z model runs. So obviously there's still a lot to pan out, and just stay tuned here to Zach New York City Metro Weather and for the latest updates.